So we will have a look at VAT handling in OneSeeDrive. We will use a demo base of OneSeeDrive 1, 3, 10, 11. VAT is registered by business documents, but we can see the results in company, VAT return. We will go through ABC Computers and month of April. With no documents posted yet, so we see the VAT return is empty. We will go to Company, More Reports. We'll go to All Reports, find, you see the tax, and here's Statement of Tax Account. So here we selected the period of 2021 from April to May. Select and generate a report. Nothing is in here because taxes were not calculated yet. So now we will go to purchases, supply invoices. Here we see unposted documents. One of them is sales to HP Fans, domestic rate at 18%, and here's 76271, the amount of VAT. We will post the document and we will see the entries. So we see here's the VAT input. Let's close the document and go to VAT return. Generate report one more time. Here we see that VAT reclaimed on purchases is 76271. Here's the negative amount because we reclaim it but has no VAT output yet. So now we go to supplier invoices and we'll see how reverse charged is reflected in VAT return. So we have reverse charge of 18%. Here's the amount of VAT. We post the document and see that reverse charge is going through VAT output as well as VAT input. Let's go to close the document, go to VAT return and generate the report. So what we see that the supply invoice with the reverse charge is shown 2 times in VAT output section and VAT input section, but since the amounts are the same, the balance is still negative. So now we'll process sale. So here we see the sale to our customer at the VAT of 18% in the total amount of 8,100. We post the document and see the entries. Here we see output for 2 items and it's 8,100. When we go to VAT return and generate the report, we see that our sale is reported in the first half VAT due on sales, and the net VAT to be paid is 7,33729. Let's go to the calculator. So we have 8,100 minus 7,337 29. It is exactly this amount. Now when we go to the statement of tax account report and generate it, we see nothing just because the tax payable are generated by month-end closing documents. So we go to company and month-end closing. Here we see 2021 year. We will select ABC Computers and post month-end closing. So here to be precise, if we go to month-end closing and see the entries, we will see that VAT and VAT output and input were closed off to VAT payable account. Now we'll see the reflection of that in the statement of a tax account report. We will generate this and we see here's the accrued, what we need to pay, what is paid through the supplier, and this is the balance. Now to make the payment, we go to cash management, bank payments, and we'll create a payment for taxes. And let's make it in May, because VAT is usually paid afterwards. So we'll select ABC Computers, Counterparties Tax Office. Well, suggest we pay €1,000, and tax type is VAT. So we will post the document. We need to check that it is paid. So post again. And here we see that VAT payable account was reduced by the payment from bank account. Let's go to the statement of tax account. When we generate report, we see the data and it goes to setup, advanced settings, and let us add the recorder right in here. So we'll make this structure, close and generate. We see that month-end closing generated the debt to the tax office of this amount, and then we paid 100. So this is the outstanding balance. Because VAT report does not show the balance, it just shows the calculated amount. When we generate and update VAT return, we see the same figures, the same data for the April. But statement of account is in place and shows us the actual tax payable settlements. We can also go to company and tax accruals, and here we can generate a tax accrual for VAT. Here we see the amount of 10. Well, say we know that we need to pay, so this is another tool. When we post the document, we see the entries of VAT payable, and please forgive me for debit account, it just was the for example. So we see the €10 as tax accrual, and since it is tax accrual, so it's not the standard purchases and sales, we will see the data in statement of tax account, and we see that balance is increased for €10. So this is how you can register VAT in OneSea Drive. Thank you for your attention.